Give it to me like.
So the first step here is to unstitch to maximize the use of the fabric. Then leave a rectangular shape on it. Next, fold 1 centimeter to keep the raw hem. For each sleeve, it has to be unstitched, for this will serve as its top part. I'm just joining all the cut parts to create a long strip of fabric. Next, fold 1 centimeter to keep the raw hem. Then backstitch it. Now let's go back to the skirt. Backstitch what was folded earlier. Next, I'm making 2-letter V at the back part of the skirt so that it will hug my waist when worn. Its length and width depends on you. Mine is 4 inches for its length and 1.5 for its width. By the way, this super cute tape measure I'm using was purchased on Shopee at a very cheap price. I love it since it's foldable and very handy. If interested, just check the link found in the description box. Then backstitch it. I also placed this automatic metal snaps to serve as its lock. Sewing is finally finished, so let's move on now to the try-on part. Well, obviously, this is a beachwear, a perfect outfit for summer. This can also be worn as a party outfit. As you can see, I'm just changing some things like my footwear, bag, and hat. It really depends on how you accessorize it. Or put on a pair of sandals and you're ready for a beach party. Wait. There's actually more. So here are some of the ways on how to wear this bandeau top. Before we end, I have a short announcement. I actually saw a pair of this last year, but unfortunately there's no way I could wear them since I couldn't go on a trip. So I've decided to sell them. So if interested, check them out on Shopee. The link is also found in the description box. Anyway, that's all for now. Thanks a lot for watching. This has been Eliza. Like, share, and subscribe. See you in our next one. Bye bye.